Welcome to Dentulu, your all-in-one dental management app. Today, I'm going to show you how the shop option works. Log in to app.dentulu.com and click on Login above Dental Professionals, and enter your registered email address and password. Click on the shop option on the left side of the dashboard. You'll be redirected to the shop page. You can check out the latest products on the dental market. You can search the items using category, products, and store. You can also find products using the search bar. Other action buttons include Home, Add Favorite, My Order, and Shopping Cart. Click on View Products for any of the listed products to make a purchase. Click on View Details. Click on Add to Cart. Open the cart. View your cart and click Checkout. On the checkout page, you can fill in the required details and complete your purchase. That's it. The shop section makes it easy to browse products and complete your purchases, all from one convenient location. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Dentulu tutorial.